In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to gift someone Steam points. If you've ever wanted to support a friend on Steam, the way to do it is by giving them a community award, which converts your Steam points into a portion that they receive after a short holding period. I'll walk you through the process step by step so it's clear and quick. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer. Along the top of the window, look for the Friends option in the main menu and click it. This opens your friends list where you can see everyone you are connected with on Steam. Find the friend you want to support in that list. When you've located them, right-click their name and choose View Profile. This takes you straight to their profile page, which is where you'll send the award. On your friend's profile, look for the More button. Click that to open the drop-down menu, then select Give a Community Award. This is the official way Steam allows you to spend your points on someone else. You'll see a selection of award designs, each with a different point cost. Pick an award that matches the amount of points you want to spend. Steam clearly displays the point cost, so you can choose confidently. This choice determines how many of your points are used and how much your friend will ultimately receive. Once you've selected the award, follow the on-screen prompt to confirm and send it. Steam will ask you to finalize your choice, and your points will be deducted from your balance when you confirm. If you don't have enough points, Steam will let you know before you proceed, so you can adjust your selection. After you've sent the award, your friend will see it displayed on their profile and a portion of the points will be credited to them. Steam uses a standard 14-day hold period before those points appear in their balance, which is normal and handled automatically. Here is nothing extra you need to do, just sit back and know your gift is on its way. This is a great way to show appreciation, celebrate a milestone, or simply make someone's day while staying within Steam's points system. That's all there is to it.